welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Alright, and this time we have a new sound from two letters. Okay, this new sound consists of two letters. And what are they? Okay, they are the letter I, and then letter E. Okay, and then what is the sound? Yes, the sound is I. Okay, it's like I, Captain. Okay, can we say one more time together with the movement? I. Okay, very good. Alright, now let's check the pictures that have I sound. Okay, now I have the first one. Well, this is something that we use on the neck, usually for the man. Do you know what is that with the I sound? Very good. It's a tie. Yes, good job. And then this is something very yummy. Well, I like it so much. Okay, and it has I sound. Do you know what is that? Good job. It's a pie. Pie. Okay. Yeah, and then next I have this. Do you know what picture is this? Very good. Cries. Okay. Yes, from cry. Yeah. She cries. Okay. All right. And then next, this is the picture of the animal. Do you know what picture is this? Yeah, very good. A fly. But because the picture more than one, so we call it as flies. Okay, because it's more than one flies. Okay, good job. And then we also have this picture. Do you know what is that? It's yummy, right? Very good. Fries. Yes, who likes to eat fries? Me, I like to eat fries. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle! Hey friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is something that our daddy put on the neck. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends, it's a tie! Yay! We did it, friends! Yes! Good job, friends! Good job, friends! Good job, friends! Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Alright, now it's time for review. Okay, so what is the sound that we are learning? Yes, very good. I. Can everybody say one more time please together with me? I. Okay, and then the I sound consists of how many letters? Very good, 2 letters. Okay, what are they? Yes, I and E. Very good. Now can you please point where is the letter I? Yeah, good job. How about the letter E? Where is the letter E? Great. And what is the sound of these 2 letters? Good job. I. Alright, and now let's check the pictures that have the I sound. Okay, let's start with this picture. What picture is this? Good job, a tie. Yay! How about the next one? The yummy food. Good. A pie. Very good. And then how about this? Yeah, cries. Good job. How about the animals? Very good. Flies. Okay, flies. And the last one, we have this picture, a yummy food as well. What is this? Good job. fries. Yay! Very good, everyone. So that's all. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching. Bye